Sarap po na.
Fuck you talaga, Pacman.
Uy, malapit na tayo.
Ano ba?
Yun. Sorry. Oh boy. So I have to talk to that penguin.
Yes.
Yeah. If you're watching right now, am I still online?
What's been going on, didn't you? What did you tell them?
Original.
And who the heck are you?
What are they
I'm
so
trying
mad
to
about?
find
This
my
looks the same,
boyfriend.
dude.
His name's John. He was working for a branch office of Umbrella.
Napapansin ko lang kasi Reikyo, pag every time na pag may dead body, tas at the same time, parang sakto nandun ako sa area na yon, they will immediately notice na tas alam na nila kung saan ako nakatago.
Walang clock tower na fights? RT?
Akala ko sinasabi mo yung yung clock tower na laro mismo.
Meron pa. Hinabol ako? The soup. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Sa B Mario takes flight. Honey Hive Galaxy. Okay. Ayan. Okay na. Okay. Teka, saan na yun? Laro na muna ako. Okay. Just like before, papasok ako. No, sige, atras. Bad trip yun, ha?
Oh, yeah.
Jasper Tirona. Oh my god. This is bad, this is bad.
Although si Ayame type siya, no? Speedy type si Ayami, but the problem with her is that mas maliit yung ulo niya, mas maliit yung radius niya. She has much...
Okay, here we go. Wait a minute. Where should I get that green star? Mr. Cypher, is this the green star you're talking about? What is he? Okay, ikot ako ulit. Total na ako.
Come some close.
That should take care of it. Or does the rest of the model begin? Chapter 2. Starbits. Days passed with no sight of the comet or even a single planet. Okay lang, no problem.
Not bad for a land war. Well, I'm a fish of my word. This is your spot.
It's the end.
Goodbye, Raccoon City.
Goodbye.
City of raccoons. Raccoon City.
Joselito sa umaga!
Tag-inang yan.
Alis muna ako guys ha.
Oy, sige lang, Auror. Sige lang.
Sige Auror, ingat. Okay, here we go. And isa pang chest plug. Okay, let's see.
Walang kwentang mga titles. Ang luha ni Aling Uling. Putang yan, Aling Uling. Eh, yun yung pangalan ng character, Uling.
Oh, there it is. Gawa kaya ako ng visual.
Combine agent.
Sir Pao, gawa kaya ako ng visual dito.
Gandang ito Before you begin your new position, please allow me to give you some advice. Some of the
Total, di ko naman ginamit yung shotgun kanina. Mga palal muna i-carry ko. Yay!
Boo!
Tapos na.
Boo!
Of course, tapos na rin ang stream po mga kaibigan. Kaya i-mute ko muna kayo. Before kayo i-mute, you'd shoutout din SR1P kasama si PK3.
Pero ano to? Tapos ka na ba sa Spin Dizzy, ano, Alex?
At salamat sa paggantay.
Like I said, I'm not leaving this cell. Get out of here before you lead it right to...
I understand, Mr. Sniper.
Yeah, I miss DDR. Oh shit. You dropped the bomb.
Another way inside.
Burger lang to.
If we work together, we can move this thing. Give me a hand here, will you?
Ay, nako. They're just puppies.
Nakalaban pala mga aso dyan. Hanap pasintabi na sa mga pet lovers dyan. Nako.
Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
Black Bamboo? Did you say Bamboo? So it's a bomb and Boo hybrid, huh? Okay. Okay, so without further ado, let's play. Yeah. Okay, sige. Ala, pabaliktad? night.
January 14.
Hey, wait!
Since the FPT.
Jonas, Joe.
Pala,
Console ba yun sa PC? PC.
Ano nga nangyari sa ano mo? Ano nga pala nangyari doon sa main account mo? Ano, Jayco? What happened? Ano nangyari? Ako, nagbalik kaya ata ng bagong account. What happened?
Iko,
What happened, my bro?
Pero siguro ang
Okay, tingnan natin kung nandiyan ba siya. Wait. Asa ko!
Rasulo ang tungkol. Diyos nito.
Thanks. Thanks, Kapit. We got a pink set here, sir. One in? Tayo ko sa puso, stage for ka, stage for smashing like. Okay, ready? When you jump, 3, 2, 1. Step to the cloud! Ayoko may tapang pamukha mo, ha?
Din ng team na yun.
Ha? Ayoko sa'yo, ha? Ha? Ayoko may tapang pamukha mo, ha? Naintindihan mo, ha? Ano ko yan? Oh, please. Please. Patience is the key. Patience is the key. Kitang ka.
Kung
Ano
gusto
yan?
mo, Reikyo, bigyan kita nun. Ay, ano, kung gusto nyo, ilagay ko sa blurbs ko yun, yung, kailangan ko i-reset yung memory ko. Putangin ng reset the memory.
Tapos andyan lang pala sa tabi si Nemesis. Nalagpasan ko yata G eh. Oh boy. It's a ghost level.
Yes! Keycards are kept in the box of the wall. Barnyard Mercenaries.
Sa GOG. Antayin ko yan. Sige, hanggang dito na lang. Next stream, mag-mercenaries ako ulit, but the next focus would be magpa-farm ako.
Site A. Pwede kong i-enkwentro ulit yun sa side B. Di na... Basta, as long as... Kanina, lamig. Ngayon naman ang init. Yung may pag-negotiate kay Nikolai if ever, kung yun ang magiging choice ko. Wala kasi akong pangontra or such eh. Wala akong pang return fire but
Grenade launcher. Just in case of Nemesis encounter.
Isa pang heal, tapos yung tatlong gamit na kailangan sa thread.
Okay. Paano ba?
is extended for as far as the eye could see. If I thought it was going to take this long, I would have packed her again, said the little girl, above the rumble of her belly. Okay. Okay. Mas maganda sa taas. Taas!
I told you, don't worry. I'll just go and get some fresh air. Be eaten by a monster.
Yung 80s version nun ang saya eh.
Let's get shocking.
Pagkasabi nyo kasi kanina parang
random yan? O sige. Okay, here we are.
Okay na kaya, pero... Ay, hindi. Hindi ko na ipagsama yung 5 kasi kahit may space wala, parehas pa rin. Halloween, nagiging Hideous Kojima. Yun yung pen name niya.
Hideous Kojima.
If you want to have scary...
Pwede ko bang balikan yan kasi may nakita akong 3 gunpowder dun eh.
Sa control panel for the shield shop, it is used for alarming trespasser. Like this.
Comrade Oleg. Si Crew naglalaro. Crew naglalaro ka rin pala ng Super Mario Galaxy din. JBD31. Luis,
nagamit sa solar power. Kasi pag once na hindi na nagpa-function ng anything that can absorb solar energy, they become waste. They become industrial waste talaga. Kaya...
Teleport. Hindi tayo ka nagpahel. Yun, may pole. Deal with you on the next stream. Sa ngayon,
I will deal with you. Makikipag-deal ka sa Hunter.
Hindi, lalabanan ko siya. Ay, may isa palang grenade rounds dito eh. Mother and father were here. The girl said wistfully, indeed the house was too large for its too small residence. Cosmic orbit? What do you mean? No! 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 Not this time! Oh, this was a faster version. Does this tornado kill me? What am I doing?
Putik yan.
Resident Evil.
Nakuha ko na pala yung herb kanina. Walang hiya.
Sige. Di ba alam ko may naman yata dito sa taas. May naman yata dito Sipan.
Kaya na.
Mo to eh. Thanks for dropping by another hot days. Thank goodness there's a checkpoint. Ang bigat naman ng kampana, mukhang di talaga kaya ni Jin. Oh my god. That was close!
Si Jam. Si Rocky.
Mga rhythm game din yan.
Oo, mga rhythm gamers sila.
Okay.
Labay ayaw! Okay. Okay, that's it. Here we go again.
Save ko na ito. Kasi install ko yung shape na download ko. Hindi, wait. There's no need.
Had an idea. Why don't you go out there and find your mother customs? The girl and Noma fixed a rusty spaceship and then the two set sail into the starship. And this is how the
I wanna love tonight. I wanna love again. Get to that song.
Sa Drino, di ba? Pag...
Lagi anatomy na, no? Anatomy na.
Tekam ko yung ano, mag-gel sandwich pa ba ako? Kunin ko na agad yung shotgun. Ay kaso hindi.
I have some lingering that I bought so bits is like real money.
Master of unlocking. Jill, it became the master of unlocking. Pala ako. May things that I hated most. May ma-miss out ako. Right. Let's go.
Okay, they go here. Oh, okay. So this is
Shinobi-dobi-do, bidu-bidu. Hindi. the thing, kaya ko na maging consistent kaso nga lang, alam mo yung parang, ano, at the moment,
My God! What have I done?
ko na to ngayon. What the fuck? Come on, man.
Resident Evil.
Pinagkuhan mo. Is the angriest gamer you... Wrong spot. Loko ka.
Miss ko tuloy din itong ano, ganda nga eh. Nakailang years nung ganda pa rin talaga nitong game na to.
Jabaan ko lang muna yung playthrough ko ah. Nudge! Taas ng area pagkatapos. Yan, dami pa ng missiles.
Bali yung ano na, bali yung likod na lang siguro yung ano ko, yung kulang. Madali na lang yung sa likod eh, kasi ganito na. Hindi na ako mabubuhay. Hey! Damn! I finished it a lot faster than Ricky.
Ayan, andito na ako sa bumubuang lupa.
3 minutes.
Yes. Para huge kudos Satoru Iwata as well and Shigeru Miyamoto. That's what you get for bullying me and that bunny!
I'm a very bad boy. Tapos bigla, I'm a very good bad boy. Bigla nag-play, no?
I'm a very good bad boy.
Ayan. Dunk 67. Crimson Field. Lock and VT. Si Mr. Cypher 77. Samis._exe. Nikon J. Sino pa ba yung mga dumapunta ka? Tulog kasi si J. Okay.
Yun, explosive rounds. Nice. Nice. Kailangan ko yan.
Di ko na kukunin to. Di ko na kukunin yung red herb na yan.
Para sa ano to?
Di ko na kukunin.
You saved us.
Madali lang sa akin.
I couldn't let you die.
Masod ko lang.
Is it you?
Are you ready to finish this?
Bari! Ayan na. Ayun na yung missile.
It's coming!
Yeah.
Masod ko lang yan.
That!
Self-destruct sequence has been activated. Repeat, the self-destruct sequence has been activated.
Babalik lang yata ako sa Raccoon City. Sa sa police department.
Pag-order na yung beam. Halo Reach, Halo 1 at Halo 2 pa lang nalaro ko. Di ko na bala kasi mag-Halo.
Wala, paano umakakakyat? Lock!